I'm Judge Andrew Napolitano, and the verdict is in on limiting speech on college campuses. Here's the question. Did a University of Florida student deserve to be tasered when he resisted officers trying to escort him out of a public assembly on campus? Here are the facts. Don't tase me, bro. That was the final plea of 21-year-old Andrew Meyer mere seconds before he was shocked by University of Florida police on Monday. Meyer was attending a Q&A session with visiting Massachusetts Senator John Kerry. But when Meyer started asking his questions of the senator, questions about the 2004 presidential election, impeaching President Bush, and the secret Skull and Bones Society at Yale University, he was told his time was up. Meyer refused to leave before hearing the senator's response, a response which, despite the ruckus, Senator Kerry was attempting to provide. So police were ordered to step in and escort Meyer from the building. When Meyer resisted handcuffs, he was tasered, then taken into custody. Meyer was arrested on charges of resisting an officer with violence, which is a felony, and disturbing the peace, which is a misdemeanor, although official charges have yet to be filed. He was released from jail on his own recognizance Tuesday morning. Reaction to the incident has been widespread. Senator Kerry responded by saying, quote, "I believe I could have handled the situation without interruption. In 37 years of public appearances, through wars, protests, and highly emotional events, I have never had a dialogue end this way." Hundreds of students gathered in protest at the police station on Tuesday. Police responded by placing the officer who ordered the tase and the taser applying officer both on administrative leave with pay, pending an official investigation. University of Florida President Bernie Mackin had this to say, quote, "This is a university, and we want to have civil discourse. The fact that it didn't occur is as troubling to me as it is to our students." The incident was caught on tape by a number of cameras, including Meyer's own, an issue which seems to be raising some eyebrows as to his motives. Some are questioning whether Meyer, who maintains a personal website which is full of pranks and practical jokes, may have planned the whole thing. The female student he asked to film for him said she had never met him before that day, and his close friends maintain that while he is in fact a very funny person, this was not meant to be a publicity stunt. The police report, however, argues the opposite. It says that Meyer stopped resisting them as soon as they were out of camera shot, asked if there was going to be cameras at the jail, and that once in the police car told the officers, quote, "I'm not mad at you guys. You didn't do anything wrong. You were just trying to do your job." But does it really matter whether or not it was staged, or did the police take it too far either way? Where do you draw the line for freedom of speech on a campus? Here's my opinion. Free speech must be truly free, and it can't be censored by the government, and you can't be arrested by the police if the organizer of the speech doesn't like what you said. Look at it this way. Senator Kerry came to the University of Florida to have an open political dialogue with a student. Just because one student's questions were too long, too contentious, or too loud does not mean that the police can arrest him. They can't. And as for the taser, it's a deadly weapon. 7 people have died from police tasers in the past 3 years. And the police cannot use deadly force unless the person on whom they intend to use it is demonstrating a threat to their lives. So the next time Senator Kerry comes calling on a college campus, ask him any questions you want. If you want to hear more of my opinions, make sure to watch the Fox News channel throughout the day, every day. And check out my nationally syndicated show, Brian and the Judge, every weekday from 9 a.m. to noon. I'm Judge Andrew Napolitano, and that is my verdict.